Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I'm going to give you a few suggestions on how to decorate some towels for your kitchen. Now these have a fall and Christmas theme, but you can use these designs for any season of the year. So this is a fall towel from Joann's. I added this on the bottom. This is another towel from Joann's that I bought last year on clearance. And then here's another towel, and I don't remember where I bought this, but I've had it for a while. And I have 3 different trims on this. Okay, let's get started. I'm using about 2-inch wide lace on this, and mine came from Walmart. And again, the towel came from Joann's. You want to cut your lace trim 2 inches wider than the width of your towel. Now this has a slight scalloped edge on it, so I'm letting the scalloped edge hang over the bottom of the towel. Then I'm stitching across right along here and then at the very top edge here. Then turn your towel over and then at each end fold it over once and then fold it over again and then stitch it along here. And you do that at both edges. This already had a little bit of a decorative border, but I wanted to add just a little bit more. So I took 1/2-inch wide rickrack, came above it about a 1/2 inch from this. And again, you want to cut this longer than the width of your towel. Stitch down through the middle of your rickrack and then fold your rickrack under and stitch those ends down. For this last towel, I think I cut this band about 4.5 inches wide. Remember, you can cut it any size you want. You want to cut it still 2 inches wider than the width of your towel. On one edge, you're going to fold it over twice. So you fold it over once and press, fold it over again and press, and then stitch along this edge. On the opposite edge, you want to just fold it over once 1/4 inch and press. The bottom edge of your towels are always crooked, so I like to place any fabric border that I'm going to put on it at least anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch below the towel edge, and this way you can make it look straight. So I've placed it down and then I've pinned along this top folded edge. This is the edge where it has the double fold hem, and then this just is the edge where it's folded over once. Then I took a piece of, it looks like about 5/8 inch wide lace trim, laid it on top and stitched it across here. Then I took this, I don't know what this is, maybe 1/4 inch wide ribbon, and on this I stitched a straight line on each edge of the ribbon all the way across. Then folded the edges under twice and stitched it down. And now this is the first one. This is what it looks like when it's all done. It's simple, but this is elegant, so it looks really good. You don't have to do a lot on these towels to make them look good. And this one just looks cute. It's a lot of fun. And then this one, of course, looks more elegant and sophisticated. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. I hope I've inspired you to look for some towels that you can decorate. They're really easy. They're a fun, quick project. Great for beginners. Now, if you're interested in other decorative towels, table linens, pot holders, placemats, look below your YouTube screen in the description section. So scroll down till you see the words "Show More" and then click on that and it will expand open. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.